Are you managing multiple properties in Texas and still chasing your IT provider just to get a response? At Impress Computers, we know how frustrating it is when your systems don't work and your provider doesn't respond quickly. That's why we guarantee 15-minute response times and specialize in supporting property management companies just like yours. Whether it's integrating tools like AppFolio or securing tenant data, we make sure your IT just works so you can focus on growing your business. Here's how it works. Book a free discovery call, get a tailored IT assessment, then we become your proactive IT partner. Schedule your discovery call today and stop wasting time on IT problems so your team can succeed with confidence.